Cyberbullying is a serious issue that affects people emotionally, mentally, and physically. Unlike face-to-face bullying, it can happen through social media, messengers, or online games. I believe that we all have a role in stopping cyberbullying. It starts with choosing kindness over judgment, thinking before we post, and standing up to others who are being targeted. Let us let us use technology to build people up, not tear them down. Being responsible digital citizens means not only protecting ourselves online but also making sure others feel safe too.
Sharing false information can lead to misunderstanding and confusion to other people. So before we share information that we read online, we need to recognize and verify them through credible resources if they are true or not. Oh, break na ba si Liza Soberano at si Enrique Hill? Totoo ba to? Check ko nga. Tingnan ko rin kaya sa TikTok kung totoo. Tanungin ko rin kaya yung kaibigan ko. Chat ko nga. Liza and Enrique Hill. Send. Hindi siya sure. I-share ko ba to? Hindi ko na lang i-share. Hindi naman pala sure. Baka mamaya false information lang naman.
In a world where screens dominate our lives, it's easy to lose ourselves into scrolling. From the moment we wake up to the time we fall asleep, our devices are always with us. It's time to take control, to be present, to protect our minds. Here's how you can start practicing mindful digital habits. Set boundaries. Track your screen time. Turn off non-essential notifications. Practice digital detoxes. Be intentional online. Digital tools should serve us, not consume us. Digital. Choose mindfulness, one tap at a time.
People and internet. Every day we connect with the world at our fingertips, but with great power comes with great responsibility. What we say online matters. Words can build others up or tear them down. Always think before you click. Practice empathy, respect opinions, choose kindness, because behind every screen is a real person. Be the reason the internet is a better place. Communicate with care. Your digital footprints matter.